Let's learn how to trim videos on iPhone. If you are in situations you want to make a video smaller or cut certain selection out of the video, because of that, you will learn that in this video. First thing is to open our Photos application and go to find a video you want to trim. As you can see, I have this cool video which I'm downloaded from pixels.com. On that website have a 100% free video you can use. Let's back on the point. So when you open the video, click on the edit button in top right corner of the screen. That open our video editor, and you just need to drag a beginning and end of video in the part of video you want to trim. Your selection will become yellow. That means that part of video you will have in finish results. When you are finished with your selection, you need to click on Done button in top right corner of the screen, and that show you two different options to save a video. The first option is to save this part of video without make a copy, and the second option is to make a copy of video. That means video will be saved like a new video. I'm going to do just that. And that is it. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.